A key decision on eminent domain for carbon pipeline projects in Iowa is now left to a district judge. Iowa's News Now State House reporter Skylar Talal has a closer look at the lawsuit and the arguments being considered.
A district judge is now making a decision to continue the case in court or send it back to the Iowa Utilities Commission. In their motion, Summit says they've amended their pipeline permit that has already been approved by the IUC, claiming many facts in this case are now outdated, but opponents argue that it's time for their day in court.
We're so far into this, we're 5 years in, and all of the people that have been spending their time and their money and the stress of all of this for the last 5 years deserve a final decision. Like, we can't just keep going back to the Iowa Utilities Commission every time Summit thinks that there's a hurdle in their path.
The Sierra Club says that during the hearing last Friday, the judge said it would be a few weeks before he would issue a ruling. The pipeline and eminent domain debate is an issue groups have been fighting over for years. The Iowa Renewable Fuels Association says the project needs to move forward because Nebraska has a head start with the Trailblazer pipeline already up and running.
Ethanol producers need access to the tools in this state to remain competitive with the plants around us that are moving forward. We are asking the Iowa legislature to support President Trump's energy leadership and to help avert what I personally feel is a pending farm crisis and to help put Iowa's economy back on stable ground.
But property rights advocates disagree.
The Iowa Renewable Fuels Association comments are just another attempt at saying the sky is falling. Farmers across the state who are advocating against this project, they're the ones saying nothing's going to happen with ethanol if we don't build this pipeline.
In Des Moines, Skylar Talal reporting.